Hey everyone, welcome to today's video on how to transfer money from a virtual Visa card to PayPal in 2025. If you're a freelancer, online shopper, or just someone managing digital finances, this step-by-step guide will make the process seamless and secure. By 2025, advancements in payment tech mean transfers are faster and safer than ever, but let's break it down so you can do it with confidence. First, start by verifying your virtual Visa card. Log into your card's app or website. Most providers like Visa have upgraded interfaces with biometric logins. Ensure your card is funded and active, as this is crucial for smooth transactions. If you haven't linked it before, you'll need to enable two-factor authentication for extra security. Step 1. Open your virtual Visa dashboard and navigate to the Transfer Funds section. Look for options like Send to Wallet or External Transfer. Here, you'll see integrated partners, including PayPal, thanks to 2025's improved API connections. Step 2. Select PayPal as your destination. Enter your PayPal email or account ID. The system might prompt you to link accounts if it's your first time. Follow the on-screen instructions to authorize the connection. Step 3. Input the amount you want to transfer. Double-check for any currency conversion fees, as global payments in 2025 often include real-time rate updates. Review the details to avoid mistakes. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. You'll likely need to verify via a fingerprint, facial scan, or a one-time code sent to your phone. Once approved, the funds should hit your PayPal account in seconds, thanks to high-speed networks. Finally, a quick tip. Always use a secure internet connection and monitor your accounts for fraud. That's it. You've just mastered money transfers for 2025. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more finance hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.